Good morning to you all, and thanks to you, Vincent, for this wonderful talk and very inspiring topic. I want to make it short, make it brief, my response, just as a preparation for your questions. First of all, I would say that I fully agree that the relation between humans and nature regarding technology is an essential topic. We should focus on this topic, on how humans relate to nature with regard to technology. And I think that there is not enough focus on this topic in the current philosophy of technology. So that's great that you put it on agenda. I would say that you put it again on the agenda because if you think about, for example, Marxist philosophers, it was a topic for them always, how humans relate to nature through technology. My question is more a question of clarification than a critical remark or something like that. My question basically is what exactly do we want to follow, do we need to follow, we should follow, when you say that we need to somehow follow life, that we should be mimetic, responding to life. So my question is, when you speak about biomimicry, do you think that there is such a thing as life with a big L, say? What would that mean, that there is life? Because it's connected to the question you mentioned many times, principles of nature. So what would this be? What are the principles of nature? Can we talk about something like that? Is not nature, for example, too contradictory that we are not able to say that there are some principles, because we will always find some principles then contradict to those principles we thought are immanent to life, I would say. And also this is connected to the question how we get to the principles of nature. How are we able to discover something like that? And this goes to, or where I am heading with the question is to a question if we are, or if there is a possibility to have some general philosophy of biomimicry, to base a philosophy on that, or do we need to limit ourselves to mimicking singularities, like particular individual living organisms? And I think that we need to pose this question because it is connected to the challenge you want to meet here. Because can the focus on individual things, on particular living organisms, help us to solve, I would say, a global problem or a structural problem? So I see here a tension between these two possibilities. You can either focus on singularities, and then you will find singular solutions, but you probably won't be able to solve global problem. Or you can focus on the global and on life with a big L, but how to do that? So that's the question. And maybe that's all I want to say. So thanks again for inspiring talk.